People have been coding for years, and actually it is a very boring and tedious job because you have to just sit at a place and keep writing the code. But in today's modern era, this is no longer the scene. There are various AI tools which are launched in the market that can help you to write your code very easily and quickly based on your writing style of the coding and your previous code. These tools will give you the suggestions of what your next 2-3 lines of the code would look like. And then if you think that the code these assistants have given is correct, then you just have to press the tab key and done. It is so good that I can't stop appreciating about it. And it works very well because you get the exact suggestions that you might be thinking of, right? If I think about writing a line, it will give me the exact next line that I would be thinking of. I just have to press the tab key and done. So it helps you to write your code very fast, and overall it helps you to complete the development process very fast. So let's get to these tools right now. So the first tool that I was looking for was something that could be available for everyone, and it should be free so that everybody can afford it. So I got this tool known as Tab9. It came up as a VS Code extension that you can just install in your VS Code and done. You just have to log into the account, and when you actually write the code, it will give you the feature suggestion. These suggestions are not of 1 to 2 lines, but they are just few words after your sentence. So you just have to press the tab key and the sentence gets completed. It is actually a free tool and works fine if you want to complete writing your code very fast, because it provides you the suggestions that are actually based upon your style. The second tool that I use is GitHub Copilot. It is one of the most famous tools and it is mostly used worldwide. Apart from getting coding suggestions, it can help you in various other ways also. Like if you want to understand a particular part of the code, you just have to select the part of the code that you want to understand, click on Ctrl+I and then write explain. It will give you proper explanation about what the code is, and also along with it, it will also explain you what the variables are used. So it is very good at summarizing the code. Also it helps you to write comments in the code. Like if you have written a part of code, if you select it and then give it a command to add comments in this, according to your code it will add appropriate comments also. Also the suggestions that you get from this tool are very good, and you just have to press the tab key and that's all. The suggestions are there in your code. I have used both of these tools, that is Tab9 and GitHub Copilot. Among this, I think GitHub Copilot is far more better and performing very well, because the major difference between this both is the training data, because GitHub Copilot is trained on all the code that is available on GitHub. So eventually the training data is very large, so you get a wide range of suggestions while writing your code. Also, if you want to know how to get GitHub Copilot for free, yes, it is available for free for the students. So if you want to get it for free, you need to have something called as GitHub Developer Pack, and it is available on this link. So do click this link, see the video how to get it, and then you can get GitHub Copilot for free. So that's all in this video, and do remember one thing, that if you are practicing something, like if you are learning a particular language or a framework, then do not use these extensions, because it will help you a lot and you would not able to learn the basics of the programming. So if you are learning, then do not use these extensions. But if you are trying to produce something, like you are working on a project, doing internship, or working in a company, then you must definitely use these tools. It will help you to boost your productivity and get your things done faster. Thank you so much for watching this. Do like this video, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in the next one.